So let's see the lesson number 2, guys. Look at the title. He was swimming when. So if you notice here in this phrase, the person is trying to tell a story in past. So we are going to see. To start, we will solve the exercise number 1 and 2. Here we start the lesson with a text, with an article. Okay, this one. Before reading the article, we are going to enter to the exercise 1. In the instructions we have, do you know these words? Circle the ones you expect to read. Which words in this list do you think that are going to be in the article? Well, I see the article, I see the photo, so I think this is gonna talk about a bike or a boat or I don't know. The instructions are circle, but it is not necessary. You can just practice them. So, when you circle or when you choose the words, we are going to play the audio and listen and practice them. Okay? Remember, listen and repeat. This is the exercise 2. Listen and repeat. Now, in the exercise 3, 4, and 5, we have some like the same introduction, or we speak, but as we don't have partners to speak, we are going to skip these exercises, okay? So these are not going to be done. We are going to go to the exercise 6, and remember, or if you look at the chart I added, the exercise 6 is a speaking activity, okay? So this is the audio you will send by WhatsApp. These questions over here are about the text, the article over here. So now you have to read the article and answer the questions in the audio. Remember the audio. Question number 1. How old was Jason when he got back to the UK? Well, I think that blah, blah, blah. Okay? That's the activity. Then we have the number 7. Number 7 is about the pronunciation, so it is really useful. Please do it. To match the irregular past simple verbs with the same vowel sound. Okay? And then listen and check. For example, cut. Cut sounds like one. I don't think so. Or like flew. I don't think so. Or like lost. Well, I don't know. So you are talking about the similar sounds. For example, road and stole. I don't know. Okay? Something like that. Well, this is about the pronunciation. And then we have the grammar. This is important, okay? This grammar is really important because here you will learn how to tell a story. This is about the past continuous with the simple past. Past continuous is really, really easy, guys, okay? Past continuous is when you have the verb be and the ing or the gerund. But as we are talking about a story in the past, we have to use the verb be in past. El otro verbo con ing se no cambia. Cuando ustedes hablan en presente continuo es I am doing, ok, in past is I was doing, but doing es el mismo doing en presente y en pasado. Lo que cambia es el was. For example, here, I am telling a story. While, that is mientras, o mientras que, I was doing my homework, my laptop crashed, okay? So, look at this. Which one is the past continuous? Exactly. This is the progressive action, lo que estaba pasando en ese momento. This is the past continuous. And the simple past is the action that interrupts the progressive, okay? Here, we can see that we can use this order, past continuous and then simple past. Or you can start with the simple past and finish with the past continuous. For example, while I was doing my homework, coma, my laptop crashed, ahí empiezo con el past continuous. Empiezo diciendo lo que estaba haciendo y después, ¿qué pasó? Also, otra opción es empezar con lo que pasó. For example, my laptop crashed. Y aquí le pongo el while I was doing my homework. Okay? So, past simple past continuous. And while, if you notice, acompaña a la frase de pasado continuo. El while is always with the past continuous, okay? Look at this. Past continuous. And here we have past simple. And the final note is that we will use while with the past continuous phrase, like here, while. If you want to use this when, you can use it acompañando the past simple sentence. For example, look at the grammar. Here we're gonna see some examples, and look. Here we are saying while in the past continuous section. While Jason was swimming across a river, a crocodile attacked him. Okay, that's it. This is a positive example. Or you can say in the negative, he wasn't traveling in Europe when he got. Here we have an example with when. When is following or before the simple past sentence. So here while está acompañando was swimming, and here when está acompañando he got. Okay, past continuous with while, past simple with when. Okay, that's the idea. And we can mix every sentence. For example, yesterday, okay, algo que estuviera haciendo, I was working. Y que después, ¿qué pasó? Subject, verb, and complement. When my mom called me. Okay? Something like that. Well, remember guys, if you have questions, please tell me, okay? Next activity. Okay, this is going to be skipped. This is not going to be done. And number 10 is going to be done by everybody else at class. For example, here. Okay. Here, circle or choose the correct words. For example, number 1, we use the past continuous or the simple past to talk about something that was in progress. Do you remember in progress? Yes, it is past continuous. Now, we use the continuous or simple to talk about an action or situation in the past that finished and is over. It finished already. It is the past simple. And finally, we use while with the past continuous and when with the past simple. Okay? Those sentences have important information, so please check them. Those are really useful to follow the rules. And the next exercise you will do is the exercise 11. Write the sentences about these travelers. Okay? For example, here we are talking about Jason Lewis. The verb is catch. Malaria is the disease. And travel in Pacific. Those are some parts of the sentence that you have to join. Remember to add the verb be. For example, could be Jason Lewis was catching or caught. It is progressive or simple past. Okay? What do you think? ¿Ya? Lo pueden mezclar. Puede que empiece con Jason Lewis was catching malaria. O, ¿qué creen? Que diga que contrajo la enfermedad y viajando el progresivo, o contraer la enfermedad como progresivo y viajar el pasado simple. ¿Cómo creen ustedes que vaya a quedar? Van a armar la frase así como las que hice acá, así, ¿ok? Van a decidir cuál va primero, cuál va después, o cuál es la progresiva y cuál es la simple, ¿ok? And finally, the final exercise in this lesson is gonna be the number 15, okay? This is the writing section, so this is the one I am going to count in the list. And read the article. Well, this is not going to be done. Skip it. Check your rule. Okay, skip it. 15. Write a paragraph explaining where Jason went and what he did. Okay? So this is like a story. You will invent the story, but you will make it up. For example, una historia se van a inventar. Okay, I think that Jason, or simply like starting. Jason was going to the school when he, I don't know, okay? That's going to be everything in this lesson. Tell me if you have any question, guys, okay? Bye.